September 15th, 2009. This is the bond market update. Well, folks, I don't like the bonds here. Big surprise. We are getting a sell signal on the 130 minute and the 195. We're close on the daily, but we aren't on a sell yet on the daily chart, and we haven't broke a pivot. But it looks like we're starting that process. I would just say that bonds are looking a little precarious here. We had some news come out that Obama's putting some trade sanctions on China, and China retaliated with some of their own. And these are kind of mistakes we made back in the Depression. But here's the point. The point is that China, they own a ton of our bonds, and we need them to continue stepping up to buy the bonds, because we've got deficits that are so large. And they're as far as the eye can see. So I just think that was a big mistake on Obama's part, and it might show up in some selling of bonds and lack of buying. Either one of those things could send the bond market in a tailspin. So I'm going to tell you, be careful if you own bonds. They're up quite a bit from where we made the call on the bottom there for the turn. I would just say it's time to step away from the bond market. We'll take a look at the bonds later. I think we're in a giant secular bear market in bonds. It started in November of last year. And so it's just, there's an enormous amount of supply of bonds every week. It's just